Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at Manor Center. Now there was a fire over at Manor Center recently. We have videos up of the damage the day after the fire. So we're going to go over now and take a look at what's going on over at Manor Center now. So we are on Constant Spring Road and we are going to drive into Manor Center now and take a look. It was the bowling alley over by Manor Center that the fire destroyed, or that was damaged from the fire. Alright, so we're turning off of Constant Spring Road now and going into Manor Center. Okay, there you can see they put up some plyboard on the left where you see the little India sign below it. You can still see some signs of the fire damage. So the rest of the stores were not damaged, like the stores that we just passed on the left. You can see the juice bar below still open. So it seems the fire seems to have been contained quickly, so it didn't destroy the rest of the plaza. So this is Manor Center. Now this plaza doesn't do that well because it doesn't have what you need for a successful plaza. Yes, it's built in a populated area, but there is no supermarket over here. They had one once, and the plaza used to do a lot better, but they don't have any supermarket, and they don't have a lot of food stores. Well, they have Popeyes, so they have the food stores, but the food stores are more on the outside. So it doesn't do as well as Manor Center or the plaza further down, because they don't follow the formula. They would, if they had a supermarket, they would do a lot better. Or as some subscribers like to say, anchor stores that would bring people in. But we always say you need a supermarket, a name brand supermarket, a big supermarket. You need food stores, and you need to build it in a populated area. This one has 2 out of the 3. They have the food stores, and it's built in a populated area. Manor Park is a very busy area, but there's no supermarket. Alright, so we're going back out we are now on Constant Spring Road. So if we were to turn right here now, we would go into Cassava Piece, and that blue wall, that's the Constant Spring Police Station. On the left is the Constant Spring Golf Club. That's the Constant Spring Tax Office on the left, and on the right, sorry, on the left is True Value. Oh wait, why do I keep calling it True Value? It's Super Value Super Value Town Center, and that is a very popular mall in Jamaica. It's new and it does extremely well. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.